I found out that Greg has both a front and rear dash cam, and he sent me some videos of this whole Tiger 900 i5 incident, and I'm going to show some of them here, and I'll keep this very short. And here he is backing up after he passes me. He was really pretty quick at getting pulled over and doing this. Here's where we realize we can't just roll it over to the side. It's going to have to be carried over. I've said this in some of the comments on the first video, but I'm not sure that I actually said it in the video. I've never had Brembo Stylema brakes before, a very high-end brake, which this Tiger has, and I've learned that they have a very close tolerance between the brake pads and the rotor, much tighter than most brakes, which could have contributed to, when I took too much free play out, the slight drag in the front brakes. Again, a little different game than what I'm used to. That truck was too close. And that's all I've got, and it still doesn't come close to showing all the things that Greg did.